fuck is it? A huge thunderhead in the evening on Thursday, indicating moisture coming into the area. Yeah, it might snow again. I guess it probably will snow again. Another ever-ready sunset keeps going and going and going. Just look at that nose. Did you enjoy the last few days of spring-like weather? Well, I hope you enjoyed it, because now the wind is up already and there's a change coming in over the weekend with a chance of snow on Saturday into Sunday, which is pond skim day. Darn! A lot going on around town. It was 82 degrees in Bishop on Thursday, 67 at Mammoth Airport, and 60 degrees in town at the bottom of Eagle Express was 56, 54 at Main Lodge, and 40 at the top. Now it is Friday and things are changing. It's April the 12th, 2024. That was a few shots of the night heron rookery growing as they get their nests ready. And then an amazing sunset last night, really unusual. That wasn't an altered shot where the fine line between the sun and the shadows, just like a hard line, huge cumulus clouds, even showed up on radar maps late yesterday afternoon in the southeastern portion of Yosemite. And then that drifted over, kind of over Mono Lake in northern mid-Mono County. Big thunderhead yesterday, and now there's a change in the weather. After the sunset, I went and watched the girls hockey game, which they had 90 girls show up and play hockey this year, and they were so happy about how many people learned and got better at playing hockey. A lot of those girls knew how to skate, but not how to play hockey, thanks to those coaches. And what else is happening? Well, now there's a change in the weather, and it is Friday, April the 12th, 2024. Hello everyone, I'm Dan McConnell. So an incoming low pressure system will slowly meander across the Sierra and through the Great Basin this weekend, bringing a little more snow and valley rains and some wind. This morning it was 30 degrees down at Mammoth Airport, barometric pressure already dropping a little at 29.94, and after 82 yesterday in Bishop, it was 37 degrees this morning, 29.82 barometric pressure. It was warm in town, 45 degrees in the morning, 39 at Main Lodge, and it was 35 at the top of one with south-southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. And the top of Mammoth Mountain was 29 degrees, so a little bit below freezing, with south-southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour. So today look for increasing clouds and wind and continued temperatures kind of on the mild side, near 50 degrees in town. And then, let's see, tonight lows will drop into the 20s, and then tomorrow about 10 degrees cooler with highs in town about 45 degrees. Saturday lows 20 degrees, and then Sunday morning it will be chilly as they get ready for the pond skim, with lingering snow showers possible through most of the day apparently on Sunday. We'll check in again tomorrow and see if that holds true, with a chance of snow and less than a foot possible though. And then snow again tapering off Sunday night, and then dry and warmer next next week. So again, less than a foot is possible in the upper elevations, maybe an inch or 2 to 3 inches down here. Up at Mammoth Mountain, they expect to be in full operation today, wind and weather permitting, with 90 groomers. They groom Scotties and Cornice Bowl. There is a downhill race, though, starting at the bottom half, the bottom part of Cornice Bowl, all the way down Gremlin's Gulch, and then I'm not sure, I think the finish line probably goes down St. Anton's to junior, the older kids, J1s maybe races today, and hopefully they get to pull that off before it gets too windy. 3 more days over at June Mountain before they close. Again, the pond skim is on Sunday, and après ski today and tomorrow over at Canyon Lodge, and they've got 1 more week to go over at Canyon Lodge, and then people start kind of looking forward to the fishing opener, which is the 27th. The 23rd is the next full moon. And on this day in history, the first test flight of the shuttle Columbia, 1981, and then in 84, a different shuttle. In 84, the first shuttle was used to repair a satellite, the Solar Max satellite. So they started putting the shuttle into use. And today is Tiny Tim's birthday, Herbie Hancock, author Tom Clancy, and also Josh Brinkler of the Guy Berryman of Coldplay. It's Carla Katz's birthday. Happy birthday, Carla. Naomi Jones, I think I saw you yesterday, right? Happy birthday, Naomi. Josh Brinker's birthday. Amy Hickman, Bo Montagna, his birthday today. Jordan Ray Smalley, a Mammoth girl. Wendy Keller Ferguson, happy birthday, Wendy, used to live here. Danielle Maloney, who's a life purpose and mindset coach. And Bubby Green, local guy who used to pitch for the Mammoth Huskies baseball team up in Reno. If it's your birthday, happy birthday to you. Make today the best day ever. Now here's a little bit of flying in Convict Canyon off of Laurel Mountain down to Convict Lake, down to Mendenhall Couloir, a 2-minute ride. If you think about it, it took about 2 minutes for Nathan to fly from the top of Laurel down to the bottom. That's how long the first Wright brothers flight was, 2 minutes. Anyway, check this out. Mendenhall Couloir, that's a fast way to get down. A little speed winging. There's where he started. And here's the flight path, and there's where he ended.